sustainability,
new friends,
immersive,
social,
adventure, a look behind the scenes.
ESG is a priority for Bain and our clients. Given this, we thought it would be a great opportunity to have the bright students that join here as in Lisbon to work on an ESG case, just like a Bain team.
ESG is at the center of my research topic, which is, as I said, sustainability risk management for manufacturing systems, and this is why I'm particularly interested in the event here.
Bainworks. It's one of the, if not the best event that we have in EMEA when it comes to recruiting. Students can expect to connect a lot with their potential future employers, get to know us in a very informal setting.
I'd like to, first of all, get a better idea of Bain, the culture, the type of people who work there.
I applied to get to know Bain a little bit more and the community there and the people and explore my opportunities.
Very cool to work on a problem that we as consultants actually tried to solve. So what we did over a couple of months, we're going to work together and try to solve that within a day.